Why you can't afford to wait for retirement. Most people think retirement is the reward after decades of work. But what if waiting is the biggest risk you'll ever take? I remember myself believing that if I just worked hard, saved what I could, and followed the rules, I'd eventually retire in peace. But let's be honest, in 2025, that story has cracks all over it. Think about it. Healthcare costs are skyrocketing. Inflation makes your savings worth less every year. And jobs, JOB, just over broke, they're disappearing faster than you ever, thanks to automation and AI, artificial intelligence. So here's the truth. Retirement isn't about waiting. It's about creating. Do the math. Ask yourself, if you stopped working tomorrow, how long would your savings last? 10 years, 20, 30? Seriously? Let's redefine retirement. It's not an age anymore. It's a lifestyle that you design. For some, that might mean part-time remote work or building income streams from home. Take one action now, whether it's learning a digital skill, starting a side project, or exploring programs that pay 100% profit. Every small move now compounds later. What age did you once picture yourself retiring? Do you think retirement today looks anything like what your parents experienced? I know I see a difference. If you're serious about creating a different path, watch my last video, Is Your Safe Job Secretly Costing You? Link is in this description. Don't wait until it's too late to design a life you don't need to escape from. Build something safe and lasting for your own peace and freedom. And I'm here to help you anytime.